Of the open track?
Oh, no. There's this one though.
Which one? Oh, dang. Yeah. Yeah. That would make 2 sets, huh?
Shoot, I don't know. Cause we only got one of these.
Yeah. Oh, almost 2 sets. I seen at the secondhand store, man, that's going for 25 each.
Yeah, I seen that too.
That's wild, dude. I don't know how the heck 25. I mean, I guess it's double.
Yeah, double.
So, Sakura Sprinter. Yeah, a lot of people in the comments been saying that the JDM-L is a JDM Legends. Stands for JDM Legends. It's a garage somewhere in California. And BRE-Datsun, I have no idea what the heck that is, man. I love that car though.
Yeah, look at it. Look at the front. You see that picture? How it's got the black.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, another. Let me see the picture of the other one too, man. They're saying that the garage right there. That's the actual.
The actual garage.
Yeah, what it looks like in their building.
Oh
they got.
yeah, see, because JDM Legends. So that's what the L stands for.
And what's his name? Infections, I think. He's like, it stands for JDM Life.
Yeah.
And, he's about that. He's about that life.
Yeah.
But no Skyline. Sorry, Fordsman. You probably stopped by here already. Man, I'm gonna unsubscribe from these guys. Not nothing new, man. Hey, check this out, Sam. Did you see this?
Nah, I didn't see.
It's clear now.
Well, this is like a regular end cap.
Yeah, but ain't nothing we haven't seen before, man.
Yeah.
There's nothing on that cart over there, man.
I hadn't even seen it, but I see it. It said toys.
I'm gonna, cause I see that tape on it. I recognize that tape. Huh?
Oh no, that's not the one.
No. And see, they're starting to get the new Matchbox up in this Target, man. Time you see that little pink Jeep, that means it's new, and the yellow Mini, that means it's the new one.
Yeah.
Nothing for these. You guys know I love these.
Damn, look at this error, bro. All the cars are upside down.
You dumb, man. I was like, what? There we go. That's crazy, man. But no.
Exclusives, nothing.
Nothing, huh? No reds.
Nope.
Red edition. No, man. Hey, but if you guys want to see a build on this, we also got these right here. But if you guys want to see a build on this, man, let me know. I'll wait to build it. Maybe. Peace.
Yeah.